Good morning and Jai Hind students. Here I am Kanchan and this is chapter The Last Leaf and book is The Moment. So here it is autumn. The wind is blowing hard and it is raining heavily. All the leaves on an ivy creeper have fallen except one. Why doesn't the last leaf fall? So this is about this creeper. So here two characters are Sue and Johnsy. Both are friends and they are sharing their room. And here both are artists also. So they just have ivy creeper. And here Sue she became ill and she fell ill. And then she thinks in this chapter she thinks that when all the leaves of ivy creeper will fall down, then automatically she will die. So she had developed psychologically this concept into her mind. Let's see what happens. Sue and Johnsy, two young artists, shared a small flat. The flat was on the third story of an old house. So Johnsy fell very seriously ill in November and she had pneumonia. She would lie in her bed without moving, just gazing out of the window. So gazing out means looking fixedly, looking attentively to the outside the window. Sue, her friend, became very worried. She sent for the Johnsy fell very seriously. So Sue just went to the doctor and doctor came every day but no change was there. One day the doctor took Sue aside and asked, "Is anything worrying Johnsy?" Then means कुछ उसको परेशान कर रही है. Then Sue replied, no, nothing is there. But why do you ask? So doctor said that Johnsy, it seems as has made up mind that she will not be get well. She is not going to be get well. So she tried her best to make Johnsy take an interest in things. She talked about clothes and fashions. She wanted to change her mood, but Johnsy continued to lie still on her bed and looking at the leaves. Suddenly she heard Johnsy whisper something. She quickly rushed to listen that. Then she heard that Johnsy was counting 12. After some time she whispered 11, then 10, then 9, 8, 7. Sue anxiously looked out of the window. Then she came to the point. She came to know that Johnsy was just correlating her sickness and her getting well soon, her getting well with the creeper ivy leaves. "What is it, dear?" Sue asked. "6," whispered Johnsy. Then she told, "They all are falling faster now, and it is autumn," said Sue. "That leaves will fall. It is autumn, then it will fall. When the last leaf falls, I will die," said Johnsy, then expressed. "Oh, that's nonsense," replied Sue. "What have old ivy leaves to go with your getting well? The doctor is confident that you will get better." Johnsy did not say anything, but she had correlated. See here, she is Johnsy and she is correlating her sickness with these leaves. That when last leaf will fall down, then she will die. "So I don't want any soup," said Johnsy. When she asked, मतलब जब Sue ने उससे पूछा कि सूप पीना है, she denied. And then Sue sat on Johnsy's bed, kissed her, and she tried her best to just make cheerful to Johnsy. And she begged Johnsy, promise not to look out of the window. Then she kept promise that yes, she will not look outside. "But finish your painting soon, for I want to see that." "Try to sleep," said Sue, and she said just sleep. And he was then Sue just rushed down to Verman, who was a painter, then 60-year-old painter. His lifelong time dream was to paint a masterpiece. Masterpiece is a thing that can be a something very, very special, something very different. So she told him how Johnsy was correlating her sickness with that ivy creeper plant leaves. So is she stupid? Verman said. "How can she be so foolish? Then I will come with you and see Johnsy, Bearman said. Then they tiptoed. Tiptoed means होता है moving without making noise meant. And then Johnsy was sleeping and Sue drew the curtain together and they went into the room and she peeped means to just see inside. There was only one leaf on the creeper and icy cold wind was blowing means Johnsy was thinking that this leaf will very soon fall down and she will die. Johnsy woke up next morning in a feeble voice. She asked you to draw the curtain. Then Bearman did not say any word. He went back to his room and then she was nervous. She drew back the curtains very reluctantly का मतलब without any wish. And so she exclaimed that she looked at the vine creeper. Look, there is still one leaf. Then they came to know that she was looking at the last leaf. Then I heard the wind last night, said Johnsy. I thought it would have fallen. It will surely fall today. Then I will die. Johnsy was saying. Then Johnsy smiled weakly and closed her eyes. Then what happened? I have been a bad girl. You have looked after me so lovingly, gloomily. The last leaf has shown me how wicked I have been. Wicked means something in a very wrong way, very bad person. She hugged Johnsy. Then she gave her lots of hot soups and mirror, and also Johnsy combed her hair. Then the afternoon, the doctor came after examining the patient. He told Sue Johnsy now has the will to live, and she has will to live, because the next morning Sue came and sat on Johnsy's bed, taking Johnsy's hand in her. I have something to tell. Bearman died of pneumonia because he was all the night painting. He was painting the leaf, and he painted an artificial leaf, and it was not falling. And due to that, Johnsy was able to get back her life. Then Sue told Johnsy. Sue ने Johnsy को बताया कि ये बर्मैन है जिसने कि अपनी लीफ को इस तरह से कलर किया कि वो नेचुरल दिख रही थी, एक्चुअली ये आर्टिफिशियल लीफ थी, और उसके थ्रू you have got recovery well because you were just connecting your life, your sickness with that leaf. So it was Bearman who had helped a lot. Then they found a ladder and a lantern, और वहाँ पे एक ladder भी थी, lantern थी, that was lying near his bed, and there were also some brushes and green and yellow color paints on the floor near the ladder. Johnsy dear, said Sue, look out of the window, look at the ivy leaf. Have not you wondered why it doesn't flutter? कि वो पत्ती हिलती क्यों नहीं थी? It was not fluttering because it was an artificial leaf. And Bearman had painted and stuck it because he wanted to make Johnsy to get well soon, because she had connected with the leaf her life. So it became a masterpiece because it had saved life of a person. He painted in the night the last leaf fell, and he painted that leaf on the day when last leaf was already it was fallen down, and then he painted an artificial leaf there, so that leaf could give confidence to Johnsy to get back her life. Okay students, I hope you would have understood well. Thank you and Jai Hind.